Hey guys, welcome again to Hannah's Kitchen. Thank you for always supporting by watching my videos on my channel. For those who are new on my channel, welcome. A recipe for today is chocolate-filled banana muffin. If you would like to know how to create this, keep on watching. For this recipe, you need 2 large overripe bananas, 1 large egg, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of chocolate sprinkles, cooking spray, half cup of semi-sweet chocolate chip, and half cup of heavy cream. If you didn't catch up all the list of ingredients, I will write it down in the description below. So let's get started. First, you're gonna mash your overripe bananas. You can use the fork or you can use the hand mixer. So after you mashed your bananas, you're gonna move it to a mixing bowl. And then you add your vegetable oil, the sugar, the milk, and the vanilla extract. And then you're gonna mix it properly. In this process, you can use a hand mixer or you can just mix it manually. Add your egg, and then you sift in your flour, your baking soda, and your baking powder. mixing it, I realized that the oil doesn't mix together properly. So I still asked the help of my hand mixer. And then after you mix it properly, you're gonna fold in your chocolate sprinkles using a spatula. In this process, you don't need to use a hand mixer. Just fold in slowly and make sure that all your sprinkles are spread all over your batter. And then you get a 12-cup muffin tin and then you grease it using your cooking spray. While doing this, I preheated the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you're gonna divide all your butter into your muffin tin, about halfway. Degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until the top is a little bit golden, and then when you inserted a toothpick in it, the toothpick comes out clean. So I just pulled out the muffin from the oven. To determine that it's really cooked, you have to push a toothpick or a stick, and when it comes out clean, it means that it cooked. And then I heated our heavy cream, and then you pour it in our chocolate chip and let it sit for a minute. While waiting for that, you look for a wooden ladle, and then at the end of it, while your cupcake is still warm, you're gonna push your wooden ladle on the cupcake to make a hole. Gonna mix your chocolate chip with the cream to make it a ganache. Okay, so I moved my muffin into the tray because after this process, we're gonna chill it on the fridge so it's easy for me to slide it in. And then you're gonna pour slowly your chocolate ganache on the hole that you made inside the muffin. Do not overflow your chocolate, just make sure it's just right into the top. If you make the right holes, our ganache is just enough for our 12 muffins. Okay, and then after this, you're gonna chill it inside the fridge for an hour until your chocolate ganache sets. So this is the finished product of our recipe today, the chocolate-filled banana muffins. If you didn't catch up all the list of ingredients, I will write it down in the description below. Hope you're gonna love it and try to make it at home. Please take care everyone, and before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell so you will be updated when I will upload another amazing recipe. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you again on my next video.